All right, what's going on, boys? We got a market recap today for Friday, May 29th. Personally, took no trades this morning. As I said yesterday, was going to come into today with a defensive mindset, but we'll still go over the bias, what I was potentially looking for, and why I didn't take anything. So, daily bias coming into the morning. This is what we looked like. Still below all-time highs on NQ. ES had already taken its all-time highs. And I said, honestly, not a fan of longing here because we were only 35 points away from the all-time high. And ES had already swept it out. And then we also had like these internal wicks. So I wanted to see us move past all-time highs into price discovery if I was going to take a long. And then I also said I didn't really want to short in this market this morning. So we actually ended up coming and taking all-time highs 1 minute before the market opened. And then from there, we just slowly grinded higher. And you can see there's no sort of displacement that's present at all. We did end up forming 5 15-minute gaps. We ended up coming down into this 15-minute gap, and there's really nothing happening, no sort of displacement whatsoever. And so it was a really, really easy day to stay out of for me. And that was the only potential trade. Like I said, we were at all-time highs as soon as the market opened. I'm looking for efficiently good moving price action and a good retrace and a good flip. And that didn't happen. You can see how low volume the candles are. No 1 minute fair value gaps created at all. So very easy day to stay out of. I'm not going to make this video too long because I didn't see any potential trades personally this morning. So like I said, stay defensive this morning. Didn't want to force anything. Already up on the week, green on the week. Passed these accounts this week, plus one winning trade on the week. And it was a short week, so very content with the performance this week. Yeah, not gonna make this too long. That's literally all I got. That's what I was looking for, and that's how easy it was to stay out of. So when you come into the market and you have a plan and you know exactly what you're looking for and you stick to exactly that, that is what leads to low stress, stress-free trading. So yeah, man, that's all I got. Let me know if you took a trade or not. Like I said, didn't see anything for longs, and don't really want to short this market at all-time highs. So with that being said, have a good weekend. Take some time off, reset, and be ready to get after it next week. So appreciate you watching, man, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.